guys, my name is Roger. My parents sometimes also call me Rogo or Slinky. My parents don't know exactly what I am, but they think I am a terrier mix. I honestly think I'm a wolf. I only weigh 8 pounds, but that doesn't matter. At least mom and dad treat me like a wolf and not like a child like some other dogs I meet. I'm about to turn 5. Dad tells me that's about 25 in human years based on my size. My parents recently bought me another toy that makes me earn my dinner. I have to use my sniffer to find the food and work to get to it. I almost forgot how to use my sniffer, but thanks to my new toy, I remember again. This is almost like hunting in a wolf pack, like my predecessors did. My mom will explain the toy in a little bit. I hope you can convince your parents to get you one too. It is so much fun and it slows down my eating too. All that sniffing really exhausts me. Dad was telling me that dogs can only effectively sniff for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we need a 1 or 2 hour break after. Boy, I think he's right. I am always pooped after sniffing out my dinner. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and explain the toy so that you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the Snuffle Mat looks like. It's made of this felt material, and it's got these little grippies on the bottom, so if you put it on a wood surface or something, it won't just like slide around as your dog is looking for stuff. So we have these little fluffy guys here, and what you do with it is you put the little kibbles in here, and there's all kinds of little pockets, different areas to hide food in. And the idea is your dog has to hunt for their dinner, just like they would in the wild. So this little taco-shaped thingy used to be the one that frustrated him the most in the beginning, but lately it's been this thing and this thing. Sometimes the little kibbles get pushed into the corner because he's super excited, and then he has to work really hard to get them out.